The man came home after fishing and suddenly discovered something terrifying. He didn't smoke, yet there was a piece of cigarette ash at his doorstep. Bond immediately realized that someone had broken into his house. However, when he cautiously entered the room, he didn't find anyone. All he saw was a half-extinguished cigar. Looking at the label on it, Bond knew who the visitor was. After that, he drove into the city as if nothing had happened, and the mysterious person indeed followed him. After turning a corner, Bond successfully stopped the other person. It turned out that the mysterious person was his former colleague, Felix, an agent of the CIA. Felix told Bond that the CIA had received a thorny mission and needed his assistance in rescuing the kidnapped scientist. Although Bond had already retired, he still agreed to help his old friend. After receiving the mission, Bond went to Cuba and made contact with his temporary partner, Paloma. That night, the terrorist organization SPECTRE would hold a gathering. Bond could take the opportunity to sneak in and figure out why they had kidnapped the scientist. After changing into formal party attire, the two of them entered the party venue smoothly. Through observation, Bond quickly realized that this gathering was no ordinary one, because the people attending were all senior leaders of Spectre. Just when he was feeling puzzled, the spotlight suddenly shone on Bond. The enemy actually knew his whereabouts in advance.